ومن آياته خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف ألسنتكم وألوانكم إن في ذلك لآيات للعالمين.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace and blessings of Allah to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. And especially to those brothers and sisters who have traveled far from the cities in USA or Canada to come and hear this lecture. Thanks to them. Before I speak directly onto the topic, what the Quran is an Arabic word, says about Al-Kitab, that's an Arabic word, means the book, or Al-Quran means the reading. What the Quran, the reading, says about Al-Kitab, the book. I would like to have a comparative view of the Bible. Not detailing what's in the Bible, just on the surface. Like this book, Bible, is supposed to be the Word of God. And this book is also a book, and Bible is also a book. So this book I'm holding in my hand is Quran, we say, is also the Word of God. We have to identify today by your own analysis that I will draw, how can God give 2, 3 books, or there is one book of God? Either Bible or Quran. You have to analyze, use your mind. First of all, a brief introduction to the Bible is, if you look on the page number 1, there is, when I say Bible, it contains 2 parts, the Old Testament and the New Testament. There are many versions of Bible, just I'm referring to the pbuh version, which contains 46 books. Can you listen? This Bible, in the Old Testament, in the initial books, pages, or we can call pages, but it is referred as books. Books. This book contained books. This Bible contained books, 46 books of the pbuh version, and 39 books of the King James version. In a book, Bible. In a book, Bible, they don't refer as chapters, they refer as books. So, when I say a book, book in your mind comes like this. A cover with pages, and on the pages there is something written down. So what is written down on a piece of paper or a computer or whatever, that written down, the words compiles a book. What is a book? On a piece of paper or on a piece of, or now in computer, on disk or hard disk, whatever is written down, we call a book. It contains pages also. So this book contains, this is King James version I have, 39 books of the King James version. Meaning there is a contradiction between the pbuh version and the King James version. And the New Testament has 27 books, both in the King James version and the pbuh version. Now within the books, within this book, have books, and in the books are pages, and they are referred as books. The first 5 books of the Old Testament was written down, it says, originally in Hebrew and Aramaic, the Old Testament. And in the whole book, this Bible, God never said in the book Bible, God never said on which language I am sending down or revealing the book Bible. Neither in the language of the Aramaic or Hebrew, or nor in English. This book, God never said, this is my book. The Bible is not to be found in the Bible itself. Now these, like Genesis, is not to be found in the book Genesis. Exodus is not to be found within the writings of the Bible in the chapter Genesis or Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers. And God never said that I am sending or revealing the book Bible or these books of Bible, preserving in Aramaic or Hebrew language. It doesn't identify any language, God himself. But people say that is written, consists of sacred writings of the Jews and was written originally in Hebrew, except for some portions in Aramaic. The second part, called the New Testament, was composed in Greek. Not God revealed, God sent down, God, no. It was composed in Greek. Well, people say that Jesus spoke Aramaic or Hebrew, but the New Testament is recorded in Greek. And again, God never said that this book that is revealed or is revealed, New Testament is revealed by me. If you say this is a book of God, then there must be some quotation within the book saying that this is my book, or this book I have revealed in this language. Nowhere. Why I am saying all this, you will confirm when I read the book, this book. Everything that I am saying, I will confirm here. So what is the Torah according to the biblical understanding? It says here, the first 5 books, Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers and Deuteronomy, and some rabbinical commentaries. Gradually the name was applied to the written collections of the priestly decisions, most especially to written Mosaic law contained in the first 5 books of the Bible, and also called the Pentateuch, the Torah. So their commentaries, their understanding, everything jumbled up. They say Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers and Deuteronomy is the Torah. So what is the Torah according to the Jews and the Bible, Jews and Christian faith, is these first 5 books. So what is the Torah of the Quran? I will later speak about. Then what is Injil? So according to Injil, in Arabic is Injil, in the Christian writings, in the Greek gospel, they say gospel. Gospel according to Mark, gospel according to Matthew, and gospel according to Luke and John. They say that Jesus preached the gospel. Jesus preached the gospel. And there are 27 books describing various narrations and events that are mentioned there. And in those mentioned, there is a red letter writings where we say this is Jesus' words. Jesus said this. And maybe it will be maybe not more than 5-6 pages. Jesus' words. So Injil, you come to know what is Injil, that it is whatever is written in the gospel writings about Jesus. And other, also the laws from the Torah or the Hebrew. Torah, Injil, Bible. And there is a book, Psalms, given to David, is also mentioned in this book, Bible. A book, chapter or book, Psalms. So these are the 3 books. Torah is Arabic word Torah, and Hebrew also. The Arabic is Torah, and Hebrew is Torah, and Injil is gospel. Arabic is Injil, gospel, or in English is good news. And Zabur is a peace. Zabur was given to David, Dawood. Injil was given to Jesus. And Torah was given to Moses. That's what you have been hearing all your life. We have to examine things, what is in the Bible. I've told you. This is what the status is. Torah is what the first 5 books, and Injil In the gospel writings, they say Jesus preached the gospel, the good news to the world.